Our second annual Tech Wars, it's a dream come true. You'll notice that we have a rocket over there. It's approximately 5 feet long. We'll be launching that very shortly. Our dream in McAllen is to be a ISD that is #1 when it comes to rocketry. This is just the very beginning. We're gonna have students, just like we're big time into robotics right now, we're gonna be big time into rocketry. And this is gonna be an example of what we're gonna do. That's a 5-footer. We'll be launching 10-footers in the future. So we're excited about that. We know that you guys are gonna be filling those spots at SpaceX and all the other engineering firms across the country and across the world. So once again, welcome to the second annual Tech Wars. Excited about the competition, and good luck to all of our competitors.
All right, and if you'll turn your attention to the south end zone, Dr. Gonzalez is going to help us launch the rocket and kick off Tech Wars 2019. All right. We need your help. We need some cheers from everybody so we can launch this. We're going to do a 10-second countdown, just like at NASA. 10, count it down with me. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch!
52 meters. $52 meters. Coast. Max speed 74 meters per second. Lobe. Max height 276 meters. Height 154. Bearing north 349. Elevation 71. Distance 52. Main. Height 82, bearing northwest 311, elevation 35, distance 115. Height 15, bearing northwest 308, elevation 5, distance 174. Height 0, bearing northwest 308, elevation 0, distance 170.